free pala. Ito si Jungkook. 2x2 picture ni Jungkook. And then si Jimin, guys. Ayan. Guys, pag napapawisan na ako, sige, bye-bye na. Mamaya na ulit. So, we already decided we're just gonna grab, and then we were laughing kasi we were like, it was raining na din a bit, and then, yeah, it was like, I don't know why we're laughing at this point, but yeah. And then, we're at the Pobla na, and we're just waiting in line, and as you can see, I'm just checking myself, but yeah, and there's my baby, and my mom is in the right side. And yeah, we were going inside na, and kinuha ko yung ID ko kasi I thought kailangan ng ID ko, but they don't need it na kasi kilala na yung mom ko there. Hey guys, nakapasok na kami. Ito yung mga ano.
J-Hope RM.
Ang lamig dito! Sabi ni mami, di malamig. What are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling wonderful right now. It's like, it's not crowded yet, so you already know, like.
We're gonna wait until it gets crowded later. It's gonna get hype right now. And we're here, just sitting around. We're gonna eat. You already know.
We ordered, pork cheese pizza, and then deep fried enoki, and fries. Okay. So, yeah, yun lang, guys. Bye-bye! So, here's what it looks like yung bar, which is yung fan roof. Sayang nga, guys, yung umulan bigla, and dun kasi sa outside nila, may mga games where hindi namin nagawa kasi nga umulan for safety reason then. And the food and the drinks are, the food are kind of mid. I don't really like it that much, but the drinks, they have exclusive drinks kasi for BTS, and we ordered RM drink, Hobbies, and Jimin's. I don't really like the RM drink, which is the blue one. I'm really sad about it. But I really, 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 really love Hobbies drink kasi it's like, tastes like, parang lang siyang soju grape. Yeah. Anyways, pagdating ng mga 1 PM, doon ay dumami yung tao, and it was so fun, and ang daming mga armies doon. But overall, I will rate this experience 10 out of 10 kasi nakapag-bond kami ng mom ko, and also, bumalik yung mga nostalgic feeling and nostalgic memories ko nung, army era ko pa. So, ayun, ito, tapos ito yung, lasing na ako, nag-video ako. So, ayan. Bye guys! See you guys again kung mag-vlog ulit ako. Hihi!